Today I'm talking to you about eyeshadow. Eyeshadow 101 for beginners. My name is Luba and I am here to tell you that you can do makeup in simple steps, simplified, where it will just enhance your look a little bit and give you a little bit of a boost of confidence. So let's get into it. I want to show you how I did this eyeshadow look from step one to the last step, where you can recreate it at home by yourself. The very first eyeshadow I'm using is called Biscotti. I'm applying it generously on the upper lid with specifically only brush for this light color. I'm applying it in the inner corner, a little bit towards the middle of the eye, and generously under the brow. This way, when I put a darker color like this Cashmere Haze, it will blend very well because that light color will not allow you to put too much. So I'm applying this Cashmere Haze with a big fluffy brush. You really can't mess it up too much because it's just going to blend. Since I put the light color eyeshadow all over, it will be blending very easily there. It's already looking lighter than the bottom of the lid, again because of the light color eyeshadow there. Then it's kind of like painting by numbers, so you have a lot of room. That's what I typically say, you have that room to work with. You put it down your eyebrow and extend it from your eye. And then my test for this eyeshadow is squinting, opening my eyes big, squinting when I'm laughing. I want to be able to see that shadow on my brow bone a little bit, so when I have my mascara on, it just makes sense. And this is my highlighter color, so you can use it as a highlighter. You can use it on the top lid, only on the eyelid, so when you open your eyes, you don't see this color. And it's called Rose Gold. Then I'm using my brush, my smudger brush, and I'm applying a black eyeshadow as an eyeliner. Just tiny bit, basically fluffing it into the eyelashes and then doing a teeny wing a little bit, and you can kind of practice with the wing a little bit or a lot, depending on how you're comfortable. Over time, you'll get a lot better at it. So then I'm just gonna add mascara. My kid is dancing in the background, and this whole look just starts to make sense. It may sound like I went through this very, very fast. It may seem like this is overwhelming, but trust me, you will be okay. Just do this look, and when you do, tag me on Instagram. I would love to see it and see how you did and cheer you on.